Ever struggle with crooked or poorly framed photos? The composition guide helps you fix that with simple on-screen tools. Here's how to enable it and pick the best one for your photo style. First, open Camera app on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Tap the quick control icon. Then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen. Turn on composition guide. Tap on composition guide to choose one of the three available options, grid lines and level. It's best for landscape or architectural shot where both framing and keeping the horizon straight matter. Grid lines only. It creates for portrait or artistic framing, especially when applying the rule of third. Level only. It useful for quick everyday shot where straight alignment is the only concern. Pick the option that fits your current photo goal and you are ready to shot with more precision. As the example, you can choose grid lines and level. If you want to get the most complete guide with the setup, you will see a grid and a horizon level line that's perfect for composing a balanced photo and making sure your image isn't tilted. Given to the function, this feature will be able to help you frame your subject accurately, keep your photos level and aligned, and let you apply photography rules like the rule of thirds. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.